It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to take this canvas, which I like the colors, and I did have some cells, which is unusual for me, but there's some pinhole marks, and I'm not sure if you can see them, but there's some pinhole marks which tell me that my paint was too thin. And what I had done is just I used some paint that was left over. So I'm going to do a flip cup, and the colors that I'm using are Apple Barrel Dandelion Yellow, Folk Art Violet Pansy, Apple Barrel Tropic Orange, Basics Bright Aqua Green, and Master's Touch Light Magenta.
Oh,
Master's Touch, right? I got it right? Whew! All right.
What is this black for?
That's for my next project.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
All right, so
So what are you doing there? You're flipping it?
I'm just going to do a flip cup.
Okay.
Hopefully. These cups are pretty flimsy.
Yeah.
All right, here goes.
Oh, beautiful. Oh. Oh, what do you have on the bottom? Oh, you have things in the bottom?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Okay, you're flipping. Look at me, I'm always
I'm a flipper.
rinse this out for you.
Okay. What we'll do is this one we'll just stop after me. And then the next one will be together. Okay?
Thank you, Doc.
Because it's just amazing where you could use the same colors.
Oh, those are pretty colors.
And you get a totally different effect every time.
Imagine
Imagine.
that. Magic.
Imagine that.
Magic. Oh, look what I did.
This is pretty weird.
What's that? You have silicone in it?
I put 3 drops in the top and put X marks.
That's what the spot.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, pretty cool.
So
Try not to splash any black on you.
oops, I got slippery shoes. Okay, let's see, where is this? This looks like a frog here. See the eye on it? And sort of a frog. Something. Looks like something. I don't know.
Black is kind of thin.
Paint is kind of thick on this puppy. Okay, I mean, I got some stuff going on here.
Well, that's nice to know.
Try it again. It's definitely weird.
You're going for weird?
I always go for weird.
Well, that's why you went for me?
Oh!
Is that what you're saying?
No, but remember before when I was asking you about the wet paper towel and you said you took it, you didn't take it. I had it right here
Oh, no kidding.
resting and I forgot I put it there. Ooh, it's great to get old. Okay, well, I think that's it. I'm going to cover the sides, but you guys don't need to be bored with that. So, and John's working on his next project, and we'll be back with that one. So, thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends. Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy every moment of every day. Peace.
Peace. Goodbye.
This